Hey sports fans, Rideshare Commando here. So, we are officially in winter, hence the thermals. You know, I actually saw ice on my windshield this morning. Who would have thought that? So anyway, what I want to talk to you about are taxes. So it's the end of the year and you're going to be filing taxes, and there are a few things that, well, nobody's really talked about. So number one, claim everything you do involving your vehicle. And guess what? If you keep the receipts for, say, an AM, PM, or ARCO run, you can claim those. And if you have the Uber gas card, then you can use that as well, like use your fuel costs and so on and so forth, because anything at a gas station is involving your vehicle. Now, we can be deactivated for low ratings, and we earn more money from higher ratings. So what that translates to is if you get a car wash, if you use air fresheners, if you offer candy, those are business expenses. They're meant to increase your rating, and they can be validated. Anybody that says otherwise, well, go get yourself a CPA or ask a CPA. Okay, those can absolutely be claimed. Now, as far as paying, I'm sure quite a few of you, like me, don't throw money aside for paying the taxes. Okay, that's fine. Because once you file your taxes, if you are owing, then you can set up a payment arrangement, meaning throughout the year you can pay. I mean, personally, I'm just going to drive my ass off for a couple days and knock it out. Because literally, if it's $1 or $2 grand, that's only a few days of driving. Like a week, maybe. So, yeah, it's not terribly complicated. You will need to contact the IRS to set up that payment arrangement. But that way it's not too strenuous on you. And they developed that to keep people from being homeless, essentially. So utilize this, because with our industry, we do need to, many of us need to spread it out. When it comes to any sort of costs, it helps to spread them out. In fact, that was the one benefit of being a taxi driver, is maintenance and all of that good stuff was usually handled internally, but they still had to pay their own taxes because they are 1099 employees. Essentially, when it came to most costs like maintenance and so on, the taxi company would take care of it. They had an internal shop that would do it. But that changed. And sadly, there was no maintenance for being an asshole, which most taxi drivers are. I don't like them. But anyway, anything you do with your vehicle can be claimed, because this is your business, your income. And all of those expenses, anybody that tells you, well, you can't claim air fresheners or a car wash, bullshit. Maintaining your vehicle, we can get cited for cleanliness. We get cited for professionalism. We get tips for offering outstanding experiences. So, yeah, you can claim those. If you just got a new headrest with LCD in the back, like I'm about to, you can claim that. Now, when it comes to itemized deductions versus the standardized, try going through the itemized first. Okay, the reason being is chances are you can deduct most of your taxes. Most of them. Not all. But, business expenses, especially when you're starting out. I've got massive depreciation on this vehicle because it's a certified pre-owned, and the second I drove it off the lot, its value sank. Okay. Wear and tear, all of that, maintenance, oil changes, tire rotations, claim everything, because you can. And guess what? The dudes at the top, they claim everything. And they hire people to make sure they claim everything. So when it comes to taxes, this is your go-to. Okay? Claim everything and try the itemized first and find which deduction sits better. Anyway, I'm going to keep this one short because honestly, tax inquiries and all of that, they shouldn't be too complicated. That's the honest to God truth of it. the reason we hire CPAs is because we want to maximize our deductions. Well, if you do everything through your gas card or through your bank account, you can register those items that you paid for, like Les Schwab tires and so on and so forth. Now, when it comes to Walmart claims, for example, I used to get my oil changes at Walmart because $50 for full synthetic, yeah, I'm doing that. But when it comes to Walmart claims, you do need to keep those receipts because you can't just claim Walmart. Okay? At least not from your bank account. You do need to keep those receipts. And if you didn't, this is advice moving forward, they're probably not going to audit you. It's kind of rare that they do. But if they do decide to audit you, be prepared with an explanation to validate any Walmart claims. And if it is a Walmart claim, they can always pull up the ticket. They can pull up the ticket from up to a year ago. So just deduct, like let's say you spent $100 there, but only 50 of it was on your oil change. Then you would deduct $50 and you would point them in the right direction. It only gets complicated if you get audited, okay? But keeping your receipts, that's a big bonus. And one thing you can also do too is anybody doing your oil change usually has you set up an account, right? Unless you're going to that mom and pop shop that nobody's ever heard of and they don't speak English, okay? So they've kept an account for you and they've said, oh, you've had an oil change here, and here. And have them print it out or even just type something up for you. And if they want to be obtuse, type something up for them and have them sign it. It's that simple. Everything is trackable because everything's electronic. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, shoot them in the comments below. I'll answer them or I'll do another video and I'll catch you guys later. Drive safe.